Hey guys, so I just thought I'd give you a quick little update on what we had going on in the shop. We were relatively quiet on the YouTube side of things. So we were getting stuff done in the shop, Christmas, New Year's, all that stuff. So happy Christmas to everybody, or happy holidays if you don't do Christmas. So what we had going on in the shop, Jason was helping me at the shop. The rest of the guys were off. My dad was off. We got this pole, which is going to turn into a crane setup. So we got the base all welded on and all that stuff. And I realized I probably should have videoed that, but we didn't. So that's why I'm showing it to you. And it's one of those things. I know some of you guys would watch, but we didn't build them from scratch. So I think the top half of this one and how we're going to structure it and get it all figured out. So if you guys are interested in building something like that, this is how I'm going to do it. If you're going to do it that way, I did these ones obviously different. I build all the slugs and all the pieces for these. I don't know if I can't remember if I videoed those or not. I think that might have been before YouTube. But anyways, and then something else we did was, for you guys that watch all the videos, this was a piece of I-beam, which it shouldn't have been, but well, actually the same material that this is. But that's all the material I had, so we ended up using that. But we took that down and put this up there instead. So we coped it into this. Jason and I coped it into this, and then we reinforced everything, and then and then we extended that too as well. So it doesn't move around at all, and before it did, so I'm happy with that. And now it will reach the hone, the boring bar, the surfacer, and then, well, we haven't moved all this junk sitting here yet. This stuff all belongs over there, and it'll reach the lathe. So I no longer have to pick up Cummins crankshafts, put them in the lathe, which is kind of nice. I'm sure my back will thank me for that. So that's kind of what we had going on over Christmas. We did some machine maintenance. I'm sure most of you guys aren't interested in that. So we just did, went through, changed filters, cleaned stuff up, that type of stuff. So that's what we did. And then obviously we took some time off for Christmas, a couple days for New Year's, and we were back to work tomorrow. This will drop tonight, probably later tonight, but it'll drop tonight and nonetheless. So videos will come back to normal schedule as we go on. And something else that I wanted to mention for you diehard guys, likely the guys that are watching this video, I am now in the midst of working with a company and also one of my friends, Luke, for working on the courses. So this year will be the year of the courses. We will have a bunch of different courses. It's going to be Cummins, LS, small block Chevy. I'm probably going to do a course on some courses on other stuff too. If you guys are interested, obviously, as soon as I get a course done, you guys will be the first to know. I will do a video on it, and then we can kind of go from there. Hopefully some of you guys are interested in that, and if not, that's cool too. I will keep the videos coming, and like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and remember, it's not rocket science.